Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, October 4th. Time is around 6 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Owanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart. So now we really reached our areas from where we can expect a reversal. So first of all, if this here is our wave 1 to the upside, then we know that this area here, if we take the length of the wave 1, this area here is the area where our wave 2 should go, the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. And then secondly, we also had we are doing an ABC structure here with a triangle as a wave B. And so then if we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then we also see that we are nicely in the C area, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So we are in the relevant areas from where we can expect a reversal. We also see here on the 4-hour divergence. So if we consider this move down here, then we could interpret this here as a wave 4 up and then a wave 5 down, ending with divergence. Also in the 1 hour, I labeled the waves here. This is our wave 4. So now what we also see here as the fifth wave, it looks like so you see the divergence here. We are making new lows compared to this wave 3, but we see divergence, and also this fifth wave now has enough swings, I would say. Like if we count from here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this looks kind of ready, this corrective move. So a reversal from here is possible. However, we have to keep in mind that in the daily and in the weekly, as you can see here in the weekly, we broke this RSI trend line. We are clearly bearish, and also in the daily, we are quite bearish. Like we are still in this downward cycle here. And so now the danger is, in my higher time frame analysis, I gave you this secondary scenario where we had a wave 1 here, but where we were doing an expanded flat structure here, with this being a wave A, this being a wave B. And then what should follow here in the secondary scenario is a wave C to the downside. And so actually, if we do not start to reverse from where we are now, I would actually make this secondary scenario my primary one. Then we seriously have to consider that more downside will follow, and then this does not become, or then this is not like a corrective A, B, C move, but this evolves towards an impulse. Then we have 1, 2, and now the wave 3 here might be ongoing. So this is something that is possible. I'm sorry, this should be a degree lower. Yeah, like this. So the C wave here in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how will we decide what will play out, the scenario in green or the scenario in red, the more bearish one. Well, I think we have to wait for more data here. Like I would say, there are not many excuses anymore. Like if this is an A, B, C, we reach the relevant areas, we have our swings, we have divergence, then we have to reverse from here. Okay, a bit more downside could 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 play out like but like if this is like in some way this can still be like this can still be the 3, the 4. Yeah, this actually looks, let me have a look. Yeah, this actually looks better. So we can have like this 3, 4 and a 5, but yeah, then we should start to reverse. Otherwise we are getting here in the more bearish scenario here in the daily, and then it means that this wave, we have a wave 2, but then in the higher degree, in this degree here, actually, like I showed you in the daily here. And then we need to look for this area here instead of this area. So let's see what we get today. Do we start to reverse from the area where we are or not? If we do not start to reverse, I believe we have to look for here for the secondary scenario, which would mean that we go deeper into this area. And this area we can find by taking the length of our wave 1 here, then the area between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is the area for our wave 2. And then how do we get there? Through an expanded flat structure A, B, C, wave A in 3, 1, 2, 3. Here something corrective as a wave B, and then 5 waves down as a wave C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.